going to quickly show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your PC. First, search up VS Code and open up code.visualstudio.com. Then click on this download button here. Here, select the relevant operating system for your machine and click on the download button. I'm going to download this Windows option since that's my operating system. Now the installer will start downloading. Once it's done, open it. Feel free to go over the agreement and select I accept the agreement. Here, you can press on Browse if you want to change the install location of VS Code. I'm going to leave it as is. Check this if you don't want a Start menu folder. Check this box if you'd want a desktop shortcut. You can review all of the options you chose, and if you are happy with them, you can click on Install to start the installation. Once the installer is done, you can now open up and run Visual Studio Code.